people, good morning. So look my pak choy, guys. They have a lot. And last night it rained very hard. And yeah, sorry for that noise because we don't have power here. We're using a generator so that we can use some stuff that we want. And yeah, so today guys, I gonna get some beetroot from here, and I have a lot of beetroot here we grow, so I gonna harvest some of that beetroot so that we can cook. I'm only boil the beetroot. I harvest my beetroot, guys. Look, the beetroot is very nice, guys. So it's a big help if you have a small garden. Even you have a small garden, so you can eat fresh vegetables. So look at that. So nice. So my vegetables, they're growing nicely, guys. That side. And the other side, I must clean up here, guys. And this is my Chinese cabbage here, guys. And I still have a lot of plants, vegetables here. But last night, guys, the wind is very crazy and they damaged my snow peas. So this is what happened of my snow peas, guys. Last night the wind, guys, is very strong, so some of my snow peas here is damaged. Some of them is going down in the ground. So this side, guys, yeah, because I have too much snow peas. Very sad because it's the wind. So in this side is still small, but this side, guys, they have a lot of flowers already, guys. So you can see, guys, so all my snow peas there is starting to bloom. Yeah, and I harvest some of them already. It's my first harvest. I put to my stir-fried noodles, so it's very fresh and it's no chemical, guys. My garden, guys, or my vegetables is all organic, so I didn't put any chemicals. So that's why I look after them properly so that no insects, because I don't use chemicals or spray. So yeah, I feel sorry of my vegetables that the wind damaged it. So yeah, and we don't have power since last night until now. So this one, guys, they grow nicely here, but this side is all green peas, guys, that I plant here. There's a lot of grass, guys. They're growing because we got a lot of rain this winter, guys. So the grass is all coming out or growing. So I cannot clean all of them, but I still trying to clean my garden. So it looks like today is still gonna rain, but Mr. Sun is rising. Rising. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not fluent in English. Lots of grass growing in this side, guys, because the soil here is nice soil. So I try to clean it. So guys, I throw all the leaves of my beetroot. Just I leave here. It's old, guys. The leaves of the beetroot, they become compost and help your soil nice. So I throw that one, all the leaves. But sometimes, guys, I cook beetroot leaves. But My husband didn't eat much of the beetroot leaves. We eat the bits. I have only 2. I only harvest, guys, every time I cook. So if I didn't cook, I didn't get, or I didn't harvest it because I want our vegetables. So I want to cook vegetables still fresh, just take out or just pick on the garden.
Thank you for watching, and please watch again. Bye bye.